Hey Max, I just wanted to send you this quick video about this is number 8 that you asked about. And so I've got it here. And the key to this one is there's some extra stuff, right? Okay, so they're asking about ARC SVT. And so S, if you locate S, you locate V and T. Now you got to go in that order. You got to use the ARC letters in that order. So this is extra, R, we don't need that. U is extra, don't need that either. So it's like just, you got to block those out and say, okay, they're not even there. All right, so now if you're looking at starting at S and going around the arc and hitting V next, and then hitting T, you're talking about this entire arc here. I know that's huge, I know it looks sloppy, but this is the arc that is being created by SVT. So to name the angle that is being created by that, it is S, then into the middle, Q and T. The relationship of this arc to this giant angle, all of this would be a larger measure if we had a number for it. So angle SQT is your answer. I hope this little less than 2-minute video helps. These are easy to do. Just give me a holler anytime you need some help or extra help on any of them. I can send another little one directly to you at any time. All right, Max, keep up the good work, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.